Hello there, good morning. It is just about morning. It's turning into a beautiful day. It was a grey early start this morning. There was rain forecast this afternoon, but that seems to have cleared up. My original plan today was to go down the coast and do some more coastal exploring, but instead, because of the rain forecast, I decided I'm going to go waterfall hunting. And I can't complain because it's nice to waterfall hunt even when it's not wet outside. I'm standing already by some flowing water. It's beautiful. I hope everyone's having a great day. Let's enjoy today's adventure. Already standing by a beautiful river with some beautifully flowing water. It's heckin' pretty. And I think a bigger waterfall is somewhere up here. And a bit further up the river, we get to the waterfall. Oh my goodness. It's a pretty one. I love it. Well, I just had a funny old misadventure. I was just turning around from the waterfall, and to get there I had to hop across a few rocks. And so I turned around to hop back across those few rocks. And my first step, I got onto the rock on one side, and then my left foot and then the rock underneath just fell away, and I went, oh shit, fell backwards, dunked my whole lower body in the water, hit my head slightly, but nothing too bad. Fortunately, I'm okay, so happy days. And the only thing in my pocket or on me which wasn't waterproof was of course my vlogging camera, which I usually keep in a holster on my right hand side, which is why this is being recorded on the GoPro, while it looks slightly different. So the camera's in rice at the moment, just to make sure it's not going to get too water damaged. I didn't turn it back on, so hopefully it'll be okay. All the adventures you do to find waterfalls. But oh well, we'll continue and see if we can find the next one. Well, oh dear. As you can tell, I'm continuing to record on the GoPro. Unfortunately, the camera is filled with water. What can you do? I guess go find another waterfall. I'm on the trail to find one right now. See how it goes. Yep. It's a downward trail. A little bit steep, but nothing too crazy. It's mainly just a bit moist and slick. We'll see what we can find. Heading towards Egypt Falls. Some ropes, or a rope to help. Doesn't seem so steep that you really need it, but I guess it's nice to have. This ground does seem a bit slippery, so even though it's not too steep, it's like useful to have assistance. Oh, awesome. Okay, it's getting a little bit steeper. Following the rope. Honestly, it doesn't seem too necessary, but yeah, the ground is moist. Getting down. Not too bad. Okay, it's getting more interesting. Nice when people construct things to help you get to cool places, or make your life a bit easier anyway. Oh my god. Oh, bit slippy. Oh my god, I can see the waterfall. We'll get there soon. Can you see it yet? Oh my goodness. Holy goodness me. That is a sick looking waterfall. It's huge. Egypt Falls. Absolutely wild. It's awesome. Yeah, that is an incredible waterfall. I hope it's in focus, because holy goodness, pretty easy to get down to, and oh my, it's beautiful. Well, you've always got to remember, swings and roundabouts. Sometimes bad things happen, like falling into a river and destroying your camera. An expensive misadventure. But on the flip side, the rest of the day it's like you see an awesome waterfall. Egypt Falls, quite incredible. Beautiful place. The hike back up is a bit more sweat making than the hike down, because you're climbing back up the steep bit, but honestly it's not that steep, so that's nice. It's just hiking in this area is very humid. But yeah, got another waterfall planned to visit, so I'll get back up this trail and see if we can find it. Alright, next waterfall. Very short walk to get to it. I can already see it pretty much from where I parked my car. Should be sweet. We'll have a look soon. Pretty short walk because I can already see it. Oh, there's some stairs. And oh my god, it's a waterfall. Let's take a closer look. And it's a pretty waterfall. Nice little one. Easy drive to get to. Pretty sweet. And at the top of the falls, you get this awesome view looking into the plunge pool where the water has eroded away. It's heckin' cool. Awesome place to visit. Well, as is tradition, splash my face in the water, and oh boy, was it refreshing. This was the Miles Doyle Falls, or at least that's what they're labelled as on Google Maps. Pretty nice little set of waterfalls. Let's see what else we can find today. At the end of another day of adventure. It's been quite eventful with 3 different waterfalls and my camera getting soaking wet. It's in rice bowl, hopefully it'll dry out mode. We'll see how it goes. Pretty short day of adventure, but yeah, it was still pretty fun. But yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, consider subscribing, as I will be producing more videos as the adventures continue. But yeah, thanks again for everyone for watching. Hope everyone's had a great day. I'll see you on the next adventure.